Yeah, hello everyone. And today is Sunday. And as you all know, that we had decided that we'll do something differently and allow some participant to showcase their additional skills. So in that journey, I would say this morning we are joined by someone whose presence alone radiates growth, healing, and quiet power. So let's meet Dimple Thakkarji, a devoted wife, a proud mom to her teenage daughter Jia, and a seeker who spent the last 8 years on a transformative path of self discovery. And her journey is anything but ordinary. From the art of living to Brahma Kumari's, tarot to crystal healing, mirror project to Ho'oponopono. I hope I pronounced it right. She's explored a fascinating spectrum of spiritual and healing practices. And she hasn't just studied them, she's lived them. So, what's most inspiring? She's still evolving, still learning, still serving. And she doesn't claim to have all the answers, but she does carry the kind of wisdom that can quietly shift your perspective. So, get ready. She might just say something today that stays with you. So, let's welcome Dimple ji to our session. Yeah, please, Dimple ji.
Blessed morning, everyone. Thank you so much for such a kind and amazing introduction. Am I audible? Like clear enough?
Yes. Yeah.
So, actually, I would say that healing doesn't come from changing others or the situation, but it comes from clearing my own negative memories which I'm holding on to, or the experiences and the emotions we held within. And I just kept healing all those emotions every day. Still going on that process, and it's a beautiful feeling. If you heard about Hawaiian, Dr. Yulen is a healer over there. He was a scientist, and he has healed entire ward of mental asylum patient without even meeting them in person. And in within 6 months, then asylum got closed because there was no mental patient left over there. So this powerful technique has changed their life forever. And I kept doing this for me, for my relations, and for my family as well. So I would say that we'll try this today. To let's open our heart and let healing just work within us. Okay. So if you have any particular negative emotions, for example, anger or resentment, so give the emotions name and the number on the scale of 0 to 10. So 10 is the highest and 0 is the lowest emotion. Like it's reducing with the healing factor. If you can share with me, so we can work on like a demo process, or else we'll do it in general for all of us together. If comfortable, we can write it. Yeah. Maybe desperation. Okay. I I will say desperation. You people will say your own emotion. For example, Nitinji and me are working together. So I might say this negative emotion or the desperation I'm feeling about it. Sejal ma'am, can you please share the music for me?
Same meditation wala.
Hmm. Is the music and my voice is clear?
Or I should reduce the music volume.
Yes, a bit.
Okay. Is this fine? Everyone? Good.
Is my voice clear enough?
Yes. Yes. Good.
Okay. So hands on our heart, close our eyes, And please repeat after me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Once again, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. And I love you. Say it out loud. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And last time, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Deep breath in and out. I take 100% responsibility of creating these emotions within me, whether it is physical or emotional. Today, I choose to take 100% responsibility for creating this. I'm really sorry for doing whatever I have done to cause these emotions within me. Please forgive me for not doing what I was supposed to do, because of which these emotions got created. Thank you. Thank you for this emotion. Thank you for the reminder that I need to work on my emotion. I love myself for healing myself. Whatever is stuck in my body, wherever it is stuck in my body, whether it is conscious or unconscious, physical or emotional, whether it is positive or negative, good or bad, right or wrong, because of which this emotion got created. Today, I choose to accept it and release the one which are not helping me, which are not supporting me. I'm sorry for trying to sort all the emotions at once. Please forgive me for not able to release those emotions. Thank you so much for accepting all those emotions as part of me. And I love you with or without this emotion. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Whenever you feel comfortable, please open your eyes. We'll do one EFT round, please. I'll be pressing all topic point because in our body's corner, these emotions are stored in our body. So we'll heal them together. Okay. Eyebrows point. I let it all go. uh, corner of your eyes. It's okay to let it go. Below your eyes, I choose to let it all emotions go, which are not mine to carry. Crown, I'm willing to let those emotions go and set myself free. Upper lips, it's okay to let them go. Even if they come back again, I can heal them. I can set them free. Chin, it's super easy for me to let the negative emotions go from my body and my mind. Collarbone, I choose to release all the negative emotions wherever it is stuck in my body. It's simple and easy to release that. Underarm, arm pad, letting go emotions are keeping me calm and peaceful. Other side, I release the emotions are not supporting me to go further. Now, on your fingertips, near your cuticle, all my negative emotions are ready to go and set me free. First finger, index finger, I'm sorry for believing these emotions are dirty. I don't want them. I hated them. Please forgive me for not accepting these negative emotions are also my part. Thank you. Next finger, thank you for making me love myself with all of my emotions. Last finger, I love you with all your emotions, whether it is good or bad, right or wrong. I accept all those with love and compassion. On your chopping point, today I choose to take 100% responsibility for having all the negative emotions within me. With acceptance, I release them with love. I set them free with smile. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you. And I love you. Take a deep breath in with your hands up. Breathe out from your mouth. One last time. Breathe in. So, can you please share with me how are you feeling, Nitinji? If it was 4, do you feel it's gone down than the earlier?
Nitinji,
Yeah,
you can unmute yourself. Yes.
yes, I can. Just not that emotion. I can feel overall better. Yeah, yeah. Body feels much, lighter.
Wow. Okay, even Anilji is saying it's 3 now.
Hello, good morning,
So,
everyone. Blessed morning, everyone. Yeah, feeling good. Basically, when you concentrate on something, and it's always be, free
yes,
from that anxiety or clutters of thinking on the mind. So it's all about the thing is that how stable you are at the moment. The whole day we are running here and there. So in the morning, it's always be free. And if you do this exercise regularly, I feel it helps.
It is.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Yeah. One request is that if you put yourself into the spotlight and do that, because without glass, it's difficult to see the things.
Oh, yeah, right. I'll take care further. Thank
And
you.
voice is quite fluctuating, sometime very low and sometime it's like that. Okay,
Okay,
so
I'll
the
Yes.
take
rest
care.
everything is fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kapilji. Thank you, Sevalji, for the support and the
Thank
opportunity. Thank you so much.
you. It was
Thank you,
really
Dimpleji.
amazing.
Thank you, Dimpleji. That was an
Thank
amazing
you, everyone.
experience. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm
Really
sure
felt
everyone
light.
enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sejalji, yeah, you were saying something.
I said it's really amazing that heaviness was there, was some yeah. It's like okay, floating and in good spirit. Sunday morning. So
Thank you
I
so
feel very
much. God bless all.
God
light.
bless.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a blessed day ahead.
Yeah.
You all too.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone. And thank you, Dimpleji, for the amazing session. And bless Sunday to everyone. And in future, if anybody wants to be part of this practice, please connect with us on one-to-one during the week so that we can, help this amazing sessions to take place on a regular basis. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you,
blessed
sir.
Sunday.
Have a
Yeah.
Thank
blessed
you,
day.
everyone.
Bless and